Hey guys, my name is Kumar. You're watching me. Let's start with this video without having the further ado. So, basically, this video is going to be the routine of 8th May 2025, and today is Thursday, right? So, basically, throughout the whole days of routine video, what is actually happened, I'm going to share you, right? So, let's start with this video without having the any further ado. So, basically, today, first of all, I wake up. Then after that, I washed my mouth. Then. I saw that my nephew and niece ready for the school, right? So basically, what is actually happening? So basically, I talked to my mother. Then also I talked to my sister. Also as well as I talked to my sister's husband, right? Then. Today basically my mother planted a plant of tulsi, right, to my sister's home, right, um, and also I had shot in the video, right. So also I was just trying to put the turban to my nephew's head, just playing purpose, right, and also I studied, right. Then also I played with my nephew after that. After some time later, I went to the field where I played with my nephew and niece. Then and my mother shot a video of us, right? And uh, talk, basically today what is actually I saw that is a bubble from the leaves, basically a traditional toy, maybe I can say, from the leaves. The bubble, this leaves, we have to just break from there and just like this, then we have to blow there, then it starts bubble happening, right. And also I saw this for the first time, right. So after that I came home, and after some time later I ate food, and after that I went for the sleep. So basically guys, this is the thing what is actually happened in my today's video. I hope you have really understood this video. If you have really understood this video, then kindly please like it, because whenever you like some videos it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos at a very continuous manner. So yes guys, this is all the kinds of things what is actually happened. So now I'm going to start the chapter. The subject is company law. So from today's video I'm going to revise the difference between private and public company. Meaning, private limited company, minimum capital rupees 1 lakh, right to transfer the shares restricted. Public limited company, not a public company, minimum share capital 5 lakh. Subsidiary of public company, deemed to be a public company, is deemed to be public company. Small company, if paid up share capital does not exceed rupees 50 lakh and turnover as per last audited accounts does not exceed rupees 2 crore. Public limited company not applicable. Third, minimum members required. In private limited company, 2, maximum 200. In public limited company, 7. Name of the company, private limited as the last word private limited in private limited company, public limited as last word limited. Provisions of entrenchment in articles. Private limited company, to be agreed and approved by all the members. Public limited company, to be agreed and approved through a special resolution. So basically here are so many differences here. So this is the some basic I have discussed, and there are so many differences, so I will do it later. So by this we have completed the chapter, and just going to the in-text question. I'm gonna to read. OPC is defined under which section of Indian Companies Act 2013? So it is as per the answer into in-text question, that is 2 of 62. According to Indian Companies Act 2013, a small company turnover does not exceed 2 crore. RBI is which type of company? A statutory company. OPC was first recommended by the Jamshed J. Irani Expert Committee. Private company is defined in section dash of Companies Act 2013, 2 of 68. A holding company or subsidiary company is not a small company. Yes, small company. The words one person company must be mentioned in brackets below the name of the company. I think it's true. Yes, it is true. Public companies have to limit its members to 300. False. A company or body corporate governed by any special act is not a small company. A company, okay, it is true. The requirement of rupees 1 lakh or more is minimum paid. The requirement of rupees 1 lakh or more as minimum paid up share capital for private companies has been omitted by the Companies Amendment Act 2015. So these are the some things. So as per the answer, the question 14 and the 15 answer is true, right? So now I'm going to read summary. Companies can be classified into 5 categories on the basis of formation, on the basis of members, on the basis of control, on the basis, okay, can be categorized in 5 categories. On the basis of formation, on the basis of members, on the basis of control, on the basis of nationality. Private companies are those companies whose articles restrict transferability of shares and prevent the public at large from subscribing them. Public company is a company that has limited liability and may offer shares to the general public by initial public offer IPO, where the company is listed and any individual can purchase or acquire the shares of such company via stock market. Small companies are basically the small startups with limited amounts of capital or investment by the promoter. One person company as a company which has only one person as a member. There are different companies with different advantages: members, directors, paid up share capital, and all the companies have to follow the compliances and provisions mentioned in the Indian Companies Act 2013. So these are the some things what we have learned on the chapter 3. Now some self-assessment question is the difference between private company and public company, difference between one person company and a small company, discuss the provisions of converting a private company to public company, what is the difference between a company and partnership firm, describe classification of companies, explain any 2 categories of companies. Okay, so these are the things what we have discussed today, and to the next video I will start to the upcoming videos of routine. After completing the routine, I will start chapter 4. The name is types of companies on the basis of control: government companies, foreign companies, dormant companies, association, non-for-profit and illegal association, till I not reach to the present day, right? So yes guys, this is the all the kinds of things what is actually happen, and yes, and so from next video I will start the chapter number is 4. Okay, we have completed the 3 chapter out of 1 chapter, that is NCLT or NCLT and NCLT and special code chapter. So we have skipped so some portions more persons, right? More portions, right? So I think that guys it is enough for today. So let's end the video guys. See you later. Bye bye.